You have taken off on me 3 different times, Mr. Osborne. If you think that we are going to give you a PR bond, you are charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing a year in jail. You had an offer in this case where they were going to dismiss this case, and you have repeatedly taken off, not once, not twice, but thrice. I am not going to give you a PR bond, and we are taking you into custody now. Your bond is now set at $10,003 because of all the times that you have taken off. And I get that you're in high school, but the problem is that you have already taken off 3 times. If I let you go now, what does that tell you? What? It tells you that it's okay for you to do what you're doing and not to hold you accountable. And that's not what we do here. You need to understand that courts are here for a reason. We do court orders for a reason. And when you fail to comply, when you fail to show, there are real world consequences. And I don't know if you have anyone that's going to bond you out. If not, you will be stuck like Chuck with me until this thing is over. And I'm going to tell you now, I'm not into this pleading guilty, time served just to get out, just to ruin your life. I'm not going to let you do that.
We accepted the PTI. The states said they would still accept the PTI.
I get it, but I'm not letting him out.
I
mean, it's 3 times the case. How old is this case? It's a year old, and
you set your bond at 10,000, so you post 1,000 worth of bond.
Well, I don't know, because whatever they're going to charge you, I don't know. You're a flight risk. They may charge you more.
When the defendant tries to argue that he doesn't even remember missing court 3 times, the courtroom mood shifts. The judge's patience wears thin. The defense tries to explain maybe the phone number was disconnected. But the judge isn't buying excuses. Dramatic insight, you can sense the gap between youth and authority here. The teen thinks it's just a mistake. The judge sees a pattern. Engagement question. If you were the judge, would you give him another chance or make him sit in jail to learn his lesson?
To know, you know what? I have court and I haven't heard in a long time. What's going on? The only reason you are here now is because what happened?
Bonding companies attempting to get the case reinstated and or a new bond set for them. That's it. We wanted to let the court know it was our fault for not notifying him of the May setting.
All of the sort. It's not your fault.
I do understand. Yes.
You know, if it was one time, okay.
Now, even the defense admits yes, he missed court 3 times. The judge keeps calm but firm. Behavior has consequences. And here's the twist. He's not out for blood. He's actually showing tough love. He even offers a sliver of hope if the defendant can't make bond by tomorrow. Then he might consider a PR bond. But next time, there will be ankle monitors, curfews, and drug tests. Transition. This judge is walking a fine line. Discipline with compassion. He's trying to teach responsibility.
And now you're going to see that there are serious consequences to it. He goes with you. Guys, I'm not out for blood, but I want him to understand that we mean business. If he is unable to make a bond by tomorrow, then we can talk, and I'm happy to entertain perhaps something tomorrow. I get it that he's in high school, but I want him to understand that we mean business. And if I just let him go now, it's enabling him, and it's not a good thing. But I'm happy perhaps tomorrow, if he's unable to make bond, we can talk about a PR bond tomorrow.
Should we just set him for review for tomorrow?
He's going to come back tomorrow regardless.
Now enters Mr. Vales, a completely different energy. He claims he's got 10,000 deals going on, talking about apartments, money, and plans to travel from Houston to Tokyo. But the courtroom quickly realizes something's off. Dramatic. Insight. This moment borders on tragicomedy, a man clearly struggling to stay grounded. Facing the system that demands clarity, engagement question. What do you think? Is he delusional? Or just desperate to sound in control of his life?
And I'm going to be his dad. That's it. Okay. All right. Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Vidales.
Morning.
You know, believe it or not, we want to help you, but we need to have you evaluated. And every time we try to do that, you don't let them do it. The quicker way to get out is just talk to them. Let us know what's going on. And once that happens, we can work to try to get you released.
Man, I got my plans. I got like 1,000 deals going out of the free world. I got about 10,000 deals.
And I
going
want to
out.
help.
The judge tries to reason with him. Just talk to the doctors and we can help you. But the defendant refuses, saying he's starving and that people are asking him stupid questions. The frustration builds. The judge offers help, even food, but the man spirals, saying he'll refuse to cooperate and act a fool. Emotional beat. At this point, it's heartbreaking. The courtroom feels less like a place of justice and more like a reflection of how mental health struggles clash with the legal system. Transition from defiance to desperation. This moment shows how chaos can take over when understanding breaks down.
It's too hot. But other
I'm
than
leaving
that,
it.
great.
So can you please just let me go?
If you talk to my,
I already talked to them. I did talk to them.
they told me you started acting up, then they couldn't talk to you because
Started
you,
asking me stupid. I'm gonna scare them back up again. I'm gonna scare them back again. I'm gonna tell them stop asking me stupid questions.
I mean, we're not gonna do anything until you talk to them
That's a
people.
misdemeanor. That's a misdemeanor. Misdemeanor is 24 hours in jail. That's a ticket and a warrant.
How long you been in jail?
I've been in jail for 4 months. My charges are for 2
Was it
weeks.
24 hours?
My charges are for 2 weeks in jail. Walgreens got their own policy.
Look, I want to help you out.
Walgreens got their own policy.
Talk to
If
them.
I steal $5 from Walgreens, that's ticket and a warrant.
The judge tries one last time to restore order. If you talk to them, we'll work to get you out. But the man refuses again. The judge has no choice. Then we'll go to trial. The tension peaks when the defendant claims he'll drop dead or act a fool. You can feel the unease in the courtroom. How would you handle someone this volatile in court? Compassion or control?
And at this point, I could eat 10 chicken soups and 10 bags of chips, cheese, and then a whole bunch of coffee and chips and sodas and then water. I'm starving at this point. I'm starving. You got me sitting like an idiot starving.
If I get you the food, will you talk to the people?
Right now,
Well, it's going to take a bit of time.
you're going to get me resetted again.
If you talk to them, we'll work to get you out. But be
I'm not
nice.
going to talk to them. I'm refusing. I'm refusing.
And I'm going to set your case for trial then. We'll go to trial. If you're found guilty, then we'll just do the DDRP.
For what? For a misdemeanor?
You keep picking
I'm not going to even take it to trial.
I'm going to put it to trial.
How are you going to put a misdemeanor to trial?
Three cases, and we can do one after the other. And if you're found guilty, at that point, we'll just.
I'm gonna drop off there. I'm gonna act a fool. You could punch me down and put me back in.
Come on.
Come on, Mr. Badass. Let's talk about that. Come on.
We shift to another case, a young man struggling to find a job. The judge challenges him. Why did you tell your sister to apply for you? You need to learn how to use a computer. Dramatic insight. This isn't just about legal issues, it's about life lessons. Responsibility, effort, and facing reality. Transition, even through the stern tone. The judge's purpose stays the same, guiding them toward accountability.
How to use a computer.
They told me, and then I went to a friend of mine, well, she's not really my friend, but she told me she could try to help me out, cooking wings. That was my last resort. Wing shop.
Go there and ask them for an application and apply. Why haven't you done that? We've set this case off for 3 different times now. What have you been doing with yourself all day, every day? If I drug test you now, what's going to show up?
I came out clean already, sir.
I'm sending you right now. You've got me concerned the way you're acting right now, Mr. Gallindo. I'm sending you for a drug test. You must come right back. If you fail to go take a drug test, you take off from me. I'm going to make your bond extremely high. Do you understand? Take a seat.
Finally, we meet Miss Visser, another defendant. The judge reminds her to stay out of trouble, specifically, to avoid Target and Memorial City Mall. It's a simple order, but one that carries the weight of her freedom. His tone softens. Be nice. Stay in touch with your lawyer. It's a mix of firmness and care. The judge doesn't want more trouble. Just compliance. Engagement question. Do you think these repeated courtroom appearances actually help people learn? Or just cycle them through the same mistakes?
Got you.
Look, Ms. Visor, just be nice. It's not hard. That's all we're asking. If you pick up any new cases, holy moly, I'm gonna lose it. Don't pick up any new cases. You've made bond again now. The only thing I'm asking you to do, don't go to any Target and don't go back to Memorial City Mall. I'm making that a condition of your bond. Do you understand? If you go back to one of these two places, the bond goes whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Okay? That's all I'm asking. And be nice. You have a lawyer. Stay in contact with the lawyer. They will tell you when you have to come back to court. If they tell me they can't get a hold of you because you're taking off, no more bonds. I'm going to revoke it and I'm going to raise it up. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. You're on the robbery case as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We can give you the same date as that robbery case as well.
Yes, sir.
And then,
I got it.
yeah, this case isn't too old. So, okay, ma'am.
And her bonds are posted. She's getting cut out as soon as she gets back. So,
Okay. All right, Ms. Visor, good luck.
thank you, Judge.